Hey everybody, Hunter, Fisher, Trapper, Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter, and just a country cook, Steve Hall, here in Nashville, Tennessee, along with pretty Miss Sheila running that camera. Hi, Sheila.
Hi.
Today we're going to go all the way down to Memphis, Tennessee, baby, because I'm all shook up. We're going to do a little bit of Elvis Presley's.
Wait a minute.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Anytime you mention Elvis Presley, she wants to get involved with this. How you doing, Sheila?
Good.
Say hi to all our subscribers out there. They hear you say hi all the time, but today she's going to be on camera because when I said we're going to do an Elvis Presley recipe, in fact, his favorite snack was down at the Arcade restaurant, and it's still open down there, and they still have his booth there that he sat in and had this treat. It's his fried peanut butter and banana sandwiches.
Right.
You ready to make these?
I'm ready.
I need your help.
Okay.
Let's get a close-up, and we'll show you what we're going to do. First of all, we're going to start out with some Texas toast and some crunchy peanut butter and some bananas, all that kind of stuff. Let's get started. Well, all right, let's get started. We need to start out with our crunchy Skippy peanut butter. If you will, go ahead and load up about 2 of these with the peanut butter.
Okay.
Real good. We also got some bacon here, too, because part of the time, Elvis would have them put bacon on one. So we're going to put bacon on just one of them, but we're also going to do one the traditional way. See, I know I told you I was going to put you to work here.
I see that.
Stuff doesn't spread easy, does it?
No, it don't.
I just leave it on the counter here so you can mash it down pretty good.
Yes.
There you go.
Mm-hmm.
Get her all the way to the edges. All right, looking good.
Okay.
Going to get our griddle started over here. Get it nice and hot. And they just take a big 1-pound block of butter and plop it on there and slide it around. Instead of trying to butter the outsides like you would do in a grilled cheese sandwich, we're just going to put the butter on the grill. All right, did you get it?
Does it look pretty good?
Look, wait. Got to put your nanners on there next.
I do it all at once.
Oh, and don't flip them over. Lay the nanners on there next, and we'll just put the bread on top.
Okay.
Put 3 little slices of nanner
Manners.
on there. And by the way, at the end of this recipe, we're going to show you Sheila's favorite. You're going to go ahead and put nanners on the other one, too.
Okay.
Sheila's favorite, which is banana and mayonnaise sandwiches.
They're really good.
There, yeah. It's got a lot of views, too. It's absolutely awesome. There we go. And now, let's just take 3 strips of bacon and put it on just one of them. Because the traditional way is just the peanut butter and the bananas, but we're going to load one up with a little bacon. Let me get our butter going on our grill here. Get this griddle really, really thick with butter so we can lay these on there. You can put the lids on both of them now if you want.
Okay.
Flop them over. All right. Looking good. I knew that you would show up when it come to the Elvis sandwiches.
You know, every woman loves Elvis. I don't care if they're 5 years old or above.
I hear. From 18 to 80, is that what you're saying? Or 8 to 80?
8 to
They love Elvis Presley. We got him on our grill here. And let's get a close-up of this, Sheila. I'll have you move the camera over.
Okay.
All right, these been on here for a little bit. Now, you can butter the outside of this so when you turn it over, it's already there. But they got a big griddle down there at the Arcade restaurant, so they just put butter right on there. See if we can't do the same thing with our little. All right. Get him on there, make sure his little lid stays on just right. Easy now. Perfect. What do you think, Sheila? Are they looking good?
Looking good.
Thanks for hopping out there on the camera and getting this shot for everybody. We're just about ready to plate these up. But like I said, they got a special booth down there that Elvis sat in, and he'd go in there in the middle of the night and he'd say, hey, I want my favorite little treat, fried peanut butter and banana sandwiches, and use Texas toast. Where'd my little loaf of Texas toast go to? It was sitting right up front here. I was going to show it to him. Aha, there it is back there. Make sure when you go to the store, you pick up Texas toast. It's a real thick bread, easy to find on the shelf there. And I think these are just about done. All right, these Elvis Presley sandwiches are ready. You want the one with the bacon or straight up?
Straight up.
All right. I'll give you that one over there. We put the one with the bacon over here. All right. I'm going to cut this in half for you.
No, no, no.
What?
No, no.
Oh, that's right. She doesn't want me to cut it this way. She wants it corner to corner,
Corner
right?
to corner.
Man, this girl is so
High
particular.
maintenance.
She wants this stuff cut this way. Oh, man. Let me turn this around so everybody can see the gooiness of the peanut butter in there with the banana. Let me cut mine. Well, I did it out of habit. I'm almost afraid to cut it the other way. Now, just a second. Hold on a second. Hold on. Wait. I got something over here I've been working on. I fried them up, and I've been kind of drying them underneath all this stuff here. I'm not sure how good they are. I just throw it on the floor. Is some French fries. That's what he always had with his sandwiches. Some French fries. They just kind of came out of the fryer, so they still got a little bit of oil on them. And I was looking for one. I seen one in there earlier. There it is. This is an Elvis French fry. It's still a little soft, but look at that. I'll put it back in the thing because it don't look good on camera, but that's funny. All right, what do you think, Sheila?
Looking yummy.
Looking yummy. Should we give it a taste test?
Yes. Do you want to take the pictures?
Yeah, let's take a picture first. Then we'll try to taste it.
Okay.
All right. And I got us 2 little containers of Hunt's ketchup to dip our fries in. I put my thumb in mine. Did you see that?
No, I'm glad.
Okay, it's not in yours?
Yeah.
Here we go. Let's give it a try.
Okay.
I get the one with the bacon.
Yep.
You're just doing it straight up. Ooh, look at that. Just ooey gooey. Looks so good. I'm sorry, but that is just really, really good. Take a fry. Man, makes me kind of feel like I'm all shook up. If you want the real deal, you're going to have to go to the Arcade Restaurant in Memphis, Tennessee, sit in the booth Elvis sat in, have them make you the sandwich, or you can just get yourself some crunchy peanut butter, some Texas toast, some bananas, and a girl to help you flip the sandwiches and make them. Pretty Miss Sheila, you did a great job.
Well, thank you.
And I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's Elvis's fried peanut butter and banana sandwiches on Texas toast.
With bacon.
With bacon on one of them, that's right.
And French fries.
And French fries, that's right. You know, when she gets on this side of the camera, she starts to get talking, and that's a pretty good thing, because she didn't get to say much. Say goodnight, Sheila.
Good night, Sheila.
Oh, she's over here. Anyway, I hope you subscribe to our channel. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in just a little bit. Click on it. When it says subscribe, click the bell right next to it. Then you'll be notified every time we put out a new recipe. We'll put another one up over here. In fact, I'm going to put the recipe that Sheila likes. It's kind of her own take on that. Fried banana and mayonnaise sandwiches.
No, those are good, too.
They're really good. We'll put the recipe right down here so it's not in her face. And I'm telling you what, I hope you try this, and I hope you subscribe to our channel. And is this the best little Elvis Presley sandwich you ever ate? If it ain't, it ought to be. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye, Sheila.
Bye.
She's right here
Bye.
next to me.
Bye.
She needs to get over here more often. See you next time. Bye.